Hey Crafty Tae and Van! So today we're about to open a package that my dad bought off of Amazon, and it's a surprise. We don't even know what it is. So let's start opening. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, we got it open. Let's see what's inside. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van.
It's Crafty. It's Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van.
What's inside? What is it?
What is it?
Open the wrapper up.
Guys, we don't know what it is, but
Looks cool.
yeah.
It says Happy Halloween, so that's just thinking of Halloween.
Yeah. We have to use the something
That really helps.
Okay.
Go ahead and
Okay. This is this one.
right there. Let's see what's inside. I wonder what's inside. I can already see something. Open it all the way up. Whoa! It's a kit. It's a kit with all like utensils and stuff. Whoa!
What do you think it's for?
I think it's for carving pumpkins.
Yes.
Whoa! We
Y'all
can carve.
excited?
Yeah. This is so cool because it actually has all the knives and stuff. You don't even have to like use your own knives at home, so they all won't get dirty. So this is really cool.
Yeah, damn. It's cool as that.
Yeah, it's like this. Like you can make faces and this.
So let's take them out and just see what all of them what they look like out of the bags.
I'll do this one.
So you just slide them out like that. That's pretty neat. Let's do one at a time. Let's do one at a time. Go ahead, open one. Take the bag off. No, Tay, you going for yours. I just wanted y'all to. She was trying to take out like 5 at a time.
Okay.
It's like
Ooh.
a
Oh
Tulia.
my gosh.
What is it?
This
It looks like a Tulia.
Oh,
This
that's
is-
pretty neat. And they got the
this
pumpkin head on
is
it.
where you can scoop all of the seeds
Oh,
and stuff out.
yeah.
Go ahead
That's
and put
pretty
that back
neat.
down in.
Yep. Yep.
Go ahead to go put this one back there.
Look how easy that is to just slide back in.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
pretty
going
neat.
Oh.
Where's the? Let me see the paper. Let me see where it's from. What's the company name?
It's
No, that right there.
This.
Yeah, let me see that. Let me see. Oh, it'll just say Happy Halloween Pumpkin Carving. I'm checking in the bag, and I don't remember where the company I ordered it from, but we'll figure that out. Definitely leave that link.
This is
at the
really
bottom.
cool right here.
Oh,
right
wow.
here. Because like you can make faces and stuff, and especially that one.
That is nice.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
What is that?
Wait, I'm gonna show. What?
Wow.
Scoop it.
Oh yeah,
Let me
you can
see.
like.
Oh yeah, if you want
Oh,
to like
you can
make
peel it.
like peel it and make designs with it.
This is where like you can cut like like.
Oh, like cut the eyes out and stuff.
And
like,
also
just go
like
around.
cut the stem off.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Here comes for the next.
This is pretty neat.
Yeah, I'm about to do the last one too.
Whoa! I've got my last one. My last one's right there.
So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to show them how this works. We're gonna have to get a pumpkin. Oh, no, that's neat. We're gonna have to get a pumpkin and actually use these, and so they can see how it works.
Yeah, we should go to the pumpkin store and get.
Yeah, we get one from the grocery store, so we can try this out.
What is this?
That one looks really, really cool.
That is
It
pretty
looks
neat.
like a straw.
That's a nice kit there.
And
Let
it's
me
not too pokey.
That's another one, like a little carving thing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, put that back in there.
Okay, guys, let's
That was pretty neat, huh?
open the other.
Alright, so that was a pretty neat kit. So all
Yeah.
you do is, so show them how to close it back up and zip it up.
Okay. Okay,
Show them how easy it is.
You just gotta go ahead and close it, and then you gotta just find the zipper and go ahead and just zip it right back up.
All right.
There we go. Okay, we're gonna go get a pumpkin, and we're gonna show you how this works, and we'll see you right back. Hey guys, so we're back with our giant pumpkins, and we have a special guest, my sister Takaya. So, oh yeah, and we have some markers, so we can like draw it, so we can carve it out, and then, so yeah, let's get in our kit, and let's see what we're gonna get out first. Okay, so first we're gonna take out the seeds. So we're gonna look for the one that we're gonna cut out the stem, and then we're gonna scoop out the seeds. So here's a scooper. Then you wanna use it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take this one. Take this.
Okay.
Or something to maybe cut it.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this one to cut the stem out.
I need one to cut the stem out.
Oh yeah.
Here, Ben.
Alright.
What do you want this one?
I want this. Okay, let's start carving the stem off.
I don't know how to cut the stem off.
It's kind of fun. Okay. Okay, I got it all. Here you go.
I think I'm going to use this one instead of this one.
Whoa! Whoa! That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right there. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna use my hands to get all this stuff out. I feel so weird.
People eat those. They clean them off and eat them. My grandma usually gets them sometimes, and we eat them.
Okay. Let me get the rest out. You're done?
Yeah.
Ew. Doesn't it feel weird?
Oh my gosh. All these pumpkin seeds. Look at it.
I'll just do it with my hands.
Whoa. I want to try.
It's really hard. Oh,
Yeah. Got some out.
Can I try?
Y'all have one? It's probably to
Whoa.
get it off the sides and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, this is probably to get off the side.
So gooey. Yeah, it's it was
See, I was doing,
because it wasn't pulling it out. It was pulling it off. So that
it's pulling it oh, this is probably to pull it off easier.
Come on, try that.
What? This again?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, it feels so weird.
I did get any.
Oh, my hands are getting sticky.
Okay, I'm gonna just try it with my hands.
It's getting all over my nails.
Alright, guys, I got all the things. I got all the seeds in it. Look.
Which thing did you use to get that out? Which one was the easiest? That, huh?
Can I use that?
Yeah, that tool there.
And look, it's all
to
out.
get off the slate.
Yep, and scrape all the stuff off the side.
Done.
And then we use, which one we use to cut it open?
It's fine.
Oh yeah, we use this one to cut the top off.
No, we use this one to cut
And then we use it to get that smooth. We cut that off. What's this? Oh, that probably could have did something too. I'm thinking this is for if you're making eyes or something. So what y'all got next?
We're gonna do
Well, I'm still trying to get some.
do their faces.
You gonna do the design?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a ghost on their cheeks.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do a creepy one.
Alright, so we'll be back. Alright, so I drew your ghost. So that's how her ghost is gonna look. She's trying to get it around that line. There you go. You doing good. You just keep going down. Make sure you're going down the line. Good job. Alright, they're looking for their design. Alright, what you doing?
Okay, so I'm gonna do a pig, but I'm gonna do a different nose, the same eyes, but
What pig you doing?
this one right here.
Oh, you gonna try to carve it out like that?
Yeah, but except for the ears, I'm gonna like.
Oh, okay.
You mean the nose? Yeah, except for the ears and the nose.
Nice. How you doing over here?
Good.
Ooh, nice.
I just take it out and then I see if it's bent.
Oh, okay. Nice.
There's also gonna be like a scary mouth under.
Scary mouth? Okay, well, we'll see.
Look at him.
Alright, so this is coming out pretty good. And which one we're using? We are using this one here to carve around. Yeah, so she got her piggly wiggly. Oh, okay. So she got the scary
Don't mind my
piggly.
mouth. Don't mind my mouth.
Yeah, but you don't gotta cut it like that.
Yeah.
You can just figure it out. I can hook it up.
Yeah.
We can figure out. I could look up maybe like a vampire mouth. I could look up vampire teeth.
Yeah.
Like with it open and then like the teeth coming out. I'll look that up. So Kaya looking for hers. Van still trying to get hers done. She's trying to cut her mouth out. Alright, Van done with hers. There's her ghost. Kaya got her pumpkin face going. Got the nose going out. Yeah, we're gonna get this piggly wiggly going. She wanted to start over with that one, so. Alright, I showed them your stuff. You want to tell them about it? How was it? Did you have fun? That was pretty cool, huh?
And
Did you go in the house to eat some chocolate or something? What's in your mouth, bro?
chocolate.
Sneaky, sneaky. Go ahead, tell them about something.
So the cheeks are cute.
Oh yeah, the cheeks. We just used, let me see the thing we used. We used this
And this.
to just carve the little cheeks off right there. And you got it going on. That's what you using to carve yours out.
Yeah, I got my nose already.
Oh, why you keep it out?
Because I like it like that.
Oh, you like it like that?
Yeah. Then I'll take it out.
Take it out then.
Yeah.
Let's pop it all out. What you got, girl?
Because
The
I was
piggly
like,
wiggly.
look, I could see it right
Yes,
there.
sir. You can see it in there. Look inside there.
Oh,
y'all. That's
shoot.
crazy. What, you dropped it out?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yes.
Or maybe we could try to take up these things.
Huh? No, that's good like that, boo. You don't want to mess up no more. You made it nice. It looked good. You don't want to do no more to it because you're gonna mess it up. When we make more pumpkins, then you can do another design when we get more pumpkins. Yeah, we got this carving kit.
We still got more.
You got your eye? Ooh. Dang. Jack-o'-lantern. Yes, sir.
It's actually pretty easy.
It's pretty neat. Yeah.
Like
We did do her nose a little different because if we would have cut all the way around there, the whole thing would have just came out. So we kind of had to like come around. You gotta remember that when y'all doing carving. You can't do a whole circle, but the whole circle come out. So the little circles in the middle, you're not gonna be able to get to it. Alright, Tay. Oh, you just went straight to the mouth, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. Got your vampire teeth going. Kyle, you're on the mouth too.
And there's my nose and my
last
eye.
thing. I just need to write it a little more.
Let's try to make sure it's there. Yeah. How you like the kit though? It's pretty
Really
good.
good. And it actually is really helpful.
Yeah.
There's some. Oh yeah. In this, it's like what if you want to like cut out something.
Which one? What's that one? Let me see.
This. I don't know.
It's just a sharp edge though. Maybe like to like poke in and like maybe make holes. Like if you just want to poke holes. That's what it look like.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure I see it. I'm trying to mess up. So I gotta make sure.
This one was a little like wasn't like really showing up, but I couldn't really see it, but I still kept going because
Oh yeah.
I could see it like a little bit. So yeah,
These are turning out pretty good.
I'm gonna take that.
You got yours?
Take the eyes.
Ooh, take the eyes out. Boom. So you like to do the aftermath?
Yeah.
Okay. Jump on. Okay. What that mouth do? Okay. Look at that, jack-o'-lantern. I love it. I love it. Nice
The
one.
mouth is kind of like messed up, but
Well, what happened to it? Why is it messed
it
up?
was hard.
Why is it messed up?
It looks messed up.
Well, all you gotta do is just go and carve it with the little, like these little pieces and stuff. See? You can make it like carve that out, like,
Yeah, I think I'm gonna
or use this right here. You know what I mean? That's what these pieces for. You know what I mean? This thing got the whole kit. You got the mouth done over here? You trying to push it out?
Yeah.
You okay?
I
You
can't.
need some help? Oh, don't tear it up.
I can't get it
Don't
out.
tear it up. Let me see. Let me see what I can do. Okay, I see you. You got that thing?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You pulled his teeth out. You're a dentist. Oh my God. Look at him. Oh, vampire teeth. Yeah, so we could just fix that. So like I said, we could just grab the little things and, you know what I'm saying, make that a little straight. Even make that little boom. Hey, I like that.
We have to do everything else.
I like that.
I help you.
All right, so we got the nose out.
No.
She jacked up the nose.
No.
Let's see. Let us see the nose. We here. We Crafty Tae and Bang. We want to see. We want to see. Oh, so he got a tooth nose. It's okay. He got one nostril. It's okay. But guess what? It's Halloween, so he's a scary one. So he got a messed up nose. Hey, it's Halloween.
Like
It ain't perfect, yeah.
His eyes are like,
Like he got cross-eyed. Yeah, his eyes cross-eyed over there.
mine is cute.
Yours cute. Hers cute too. All right, let's get the eyes going. Look at the mouth. Ooh, we got to
Well, what
fix
about
that.
you line
Yes,
up there?
sir.
What is that up there?
That's the eyes and the ears. Gonna get it going. You're doing good.
Okay.
All right, so you done with it?
It looks like a
Ooh.
bear.
Like a bear? Kind of turn out like
it's
a bear.
okay. It's okay.
Yeah, it's a carving. Whatever. Y'all have fun though?
Yeah. And here the
It
Kaya.
came out pretty good.
Trying to put this
What
one.
are you doing? You trying to put pieces back in, like puzzle pieces? You so
you need
crazy.
help.
You are so crazy.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching us carving our pumpkins. And watching us using all the tools that we were using on this and to scoop all the stuff out, and it was pretty cool. I liked it, and sometimes it doesn't turn out how you want it, but that's okay. It's carving, and see how my nose didn't come like this. The other nose didn't come like this. That's okay. It still looks cool.
Guys, this
So-
is the carving. And I
Stuff.
like when we did stuff. And I like how we did it. And I like it. And this is actually cool because you can just go around or do a heart.
Yeah, it's really cool. So like and subscribe. Bye, Crafty Tae and Van. Peace.